In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert or export your Google Sheets document into a CSV file. This is a quick and easy process, allowing you to save your spreadsheet data in a universally accepted format for further use in various applications. Whether you're looking to use your data with different programs or just need a lightweight way to save and share your spreadsheet, the CSV format is the way to go. First, let's start by opening your Google Sheet. You'll want to make sure you have your desired spreadsheet open and ready on your screen. If you haven't got a Google Sheet prepared already, you can easily create one by going to Google Sheets from your browser and selecting blank to start a new document. Once your spreadsheet is all set and filled in, let's move on to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your Google Sheets interface, where you'll see the File menu option. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu filled with various options for managing your document. For our task today, we're specifically interested in the Download option. So go ahead and click on File to proceed. With the drop-down menu open, look for the Download option. This is your gateway to saving your spreadsheet in various formats. Hover over or click on Download, and you'll see a list of different file types available for exporting. The flexibility is impressive. However, today, we're interested in converting our Google Sheet specifically into a CSV file. As you continue down the list, you will see the option labeled Separated Values by CSV. This format is perfect for when you need a straightforward text file where each line corresponds to a row in your spreadsheet. Each cell value will be separated by commas, which is what makes CSV files both lightweight and versatile. Go ahead and click on Separated Values.csv to start downloading your file. The download should begin immediately, and depending on your browser settings, the file might be automatically saved to your Downloads folder. You may also get prompted to select a specific location on your computer to save the file. Once the download has finished, you'll have your CSV file ready for use. Now, simply open the downloaded file to ensure everything has been converted accurately from Google Sheets to CSV format. This is essential to verify that your data maintained its integrity during the conversion process. You can open the CSV file using a simple text editor or a spreadsheet application of your choice, like Excel or, again, Google Sheets for further use. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Google Sheets document into a CSV file. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you in your workflow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Happy spreadsheeting!